Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my home. We are gonna do some evening exercise. I will show you how to do a evening exercise. Let's look and see the evening exercises. Not 3 minutes better. I will just put it somewhere not that much. Perfect. First evening exercise is warming up. Feel some fresh air. Next one is taking air like this. Now dust. This is the evening exercise. Third one. This is fourth one exercise. First and second, whatever is that, we done it already. First, you're doing like this. Fourth one. Now fifth one is just like this. Doing just like this. Now like this. Yes. Just warm up. Guarantee to do this 3 or 4 days evening. Next exercise is this is the jogging in 50. Jogging 50. 5 tips and 10 tips. Next one is 840 and 550. 840, 50, 50. 840, 50, 50. Next one is rolling exercise. Roll, jump, roll, jump, roll with your hands only. You jump and your hands like this. Roll, jump, roll, jump. Now do this. Arm 20. Arm 20. Arm 20. Arm 20. Now is external, internal breaths. Organs breaths. Now prayer, yoga prayer. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಯೋಗೇಯ ಚಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ಪದೇನಮರ್ಚಂ ಪರಂ ಶರೀರಸ್ಯ ಚ ವೈದಕೇರ ಮುನಿನಾಂ ಪತಂಜಲಿ ರಾಮತೋಸ್ತೆ. Now is the sleep? Okay. No, not see me. Put in. No, this do. No more will you do. This do. This. Breathe in, breathe out for 10 minutes. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ಗೆ ಹೊಡೀರಿ. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಸಿ ಯು.